bro.
Who's in portal? Yeah, I'm in portal.
Yeah,
Pabili nga ako, occult 5.2. Thank you.
okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Saan ba itong liring? Physical ability, magical. Wala pala. Oo nga. Ako na 350 yung puta.
Yeah, so expensive, bro.
Anong boots? Anong boots?
Guardian
Boots. Guardian boots.
Good for wheeling, soldier helmet, bro. You cannot go clerical unless you want to die, bro.
Full
You
defense,
cannot go
Oh, okay. Because I'm support, right?
Yes, sir. Come, Smart. Pull them to the choke. Pull them to the choke. Come southwest. Up the hill.
Hindi mo inside, just already inside now.
Look at me, 5.
Nag-aano
sa iya, ma. Seven come.
Sabi mo, west.
Come northwest. Yeah, but Aga told me there's fucking cleanse. Come northwest and cycle dance. Everyone ready?
Ready.
Look inside. Everyone look inside. Inside. 5, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Wait. Seven come. Giga. Come west. I'm dropping goody. Come west. Cleanses. Heal up. Cleanses. Demon. Everyone come west. Everyone come west. Cycle on the west. Give me city. Heal up. Everyone on the bed. On the bed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the bed. Everyone come east. Keep cutting it. Pills up. Everyone keep cutting it. Keep cutting it. Drop one on me. Drop one on here. Drop one here. Keep cutting it.
In front.
One come.
Ready. Southwest mo. West side. Mounting up. Dito naman. Isipid mo, ha.
Everyone comes west.
Alito na west side, Jackie.
Western never going to only 5, 4, 3, 1, kill this. PW.
Result.
Yo, Prime, why did you get left behind, bro? Everyone chase. Mount up chase.
No. Sa.
Yo. Yo, guys, if you're gonna comms, make it clear. Someone told me there's one roller west side, so I went SE, guys. So I called
Western
for the
is
SE
there,
side.
We 18 DA now.
Yeah, everyone come right this. What did I lose? I lose Prime. Prime, you still upset?
Prime is close. Then dito. Gago sa akin, ginagamit nila yung Western, papalag to. Wait, naman. 11 na rin sila.
Level 11. We're gonna kite east, okay? Seven come. Everyone look on the scar mark. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the scar mark now. Kill. Everyone push out west now. Cycle down. Cycle down. Come southwest. Everyone look inside, okay? Everyone just look inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Okay, everyone come south. Everyone come northeast. Cycle down.
Oh my god.
The A3, the A7. Oh, the solo bomb.
Everyone come southwest. Everyone west on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West on me now. Drop it. Okay, nice. Come east. Follow. Kill it. Everyone come east. Cycle down to me.
Where's the mana?
Copy. Go east. There's a bomb. Nice. Everyone come east. Everyone come south. Everyone come south. Only 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No.
Kill that bitch.
Everyone come.
Running, ha?
Everyone come. Catch. What the fuck is this guy do? They're not running, man.
They're not running.
Everyone come. Cycle down.
Careful.
Everyone look west.
Ready, Dylan.
4, 3, 2, 1. Deep bust now. Me. Nice. Come east. Actually, push out west and hold.
They're running.
Okay, everyone kill. Why the fuck did they do that, man?
Yung 8 slow, asan yung 8 slow, Brian?
Kill this SOV, guys. Kill this
Ito yung
SOV.
8, putang ino.
Ping, 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 ping,
Asan,
ping.
asan?
Ito, northwest, Brian, northwest.
Keep ping, keep ping, keep ping. Kill, 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 kill. Kachin fucking... Where's the SOB, man? Where's the SOB?
Wala na pa tayo.
Ito.
Oh, fuck this guy. Yo, dance on him, dance on him, dance on him. Don't kill him, don't kill him. Dance on him, dance on him, dance on him, dance on him. Dance, dance, dance. Everyone inside. Look northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amin na. Oh! Drop it on him, drop it on him. Keep dropping it. Repeat.
Don't trash talk, guys.
Look.
You trash talk earlier, bro.
You guys,
Retard.
yo, the
We
kiting
can't
on
trash
the...
that, boys. We got help by Western.
They hit Western.
Yeah, but why they hate Western?
Hindi,
I think
pinaano
it's
nila
really
eh. G yata naman sila eh, kasi level 11 sila. So,
Wala na ba tayo?
sila naman yung nag-gun eh. Kinukulit nila yung Western eh.
Western is
Kinukulit
mounted
nila yung
up.
Western. Pero ano,
They hit them.
oo. Eh, hindi naman nila kapag sa script eh. Puta, pinalagan nila ba eh.
I'm not gonna count this as a win, bro. But the kiting on the second fight is good, okay? I'm gonna give you guys that. But the detox that got caught, no riggy, okay? Why are you guys so out? Are you guys so fucking far from the circ, man? Keep fucking fishing inside. Keep fishing the inside. Look at me. This man on me.
You don't have to
Enemy.
beat the enemy.
Enemy is northeast side. Position yourself southwest. Northeast side is the enemy. Position yourself southwest of me. Southwest of me.
Go half screen.
Okay, listen. If these guys are like northeast, right? The monkeys here are gonna brawl here, right? You can just, let's say I'm on snare charge. Let's say I'm on snare charge, right? I can just snare charge here. Look, snare charge here. I snare charge the fucking brawler. You guys can keep cutting SE now. I snare charge the brawler again. I eat the brawler inside. I drop my guardian armor inside. What did I do? I slow them down. Keep kiting. You don't need to fucking jump and... Oh, I'm gonna jump. Stop them. Go, my bros. Go kite. What happened next? You're fucking dead. Why? Because you're gonna get fucked by their engage. Because you're giving them free fucking target. Come southwest. Be masked. Hold your woods, ah. So those guys that die first engage.